today we're going to install the door panel on this 2015 Chrysler 300. Alright, let's go ahead and grab the door panel. Let's bring it right over. We have a series of pigtails, 1, 2, and 3. We got to connect first. Alright, just grab all of the pigtails with the door panel and just sit the door panel right on the speaker. That way you have perfect access for everything. Just pull everything up. Let's go ahead and connect this one right down here. Come on. There it is. Let's connect this one right in here. Oh ho ho. Alright, after 10 hours, there it goes. Let's go ahead and bring down our door. Now we're able to connect this one here right into here. Alright, once you have everything connected, next thing we're going to do is grab our door handle. Come here, door handle. We're going to go ahead and slide it through. There it is. Lock it into place. Alright, perfect. Now we're ready to put the door up and over into the door latch hook. Door lock. Door lock. Latch. Hook. Anyways, on that until that. Alright, and we have all these clips here. We're going to mount the door panel right onto. Alright, once you have it all nice and lined, give it a good smacking all the way around. Secure everything into place. Sweet. Alright, now let's put all of the retainer clips and locking pins back into place. This one here, it's going to go right in here. Alright, pull this little clip out, push that in, then we're able to secure that into place. We're going to go ahead and grab this one that has the little rubber boot. This one's going to go right into here. This is going to be a Phillips screw. So you'll need a Phillips screwdriver. Here it is. We also have these two remaining screws. The smaller one's going to go right on the door handle, right in here. And this longer one, it's going to go right in here. Alright, once you have everything secured, you have these little plastic clips. This one is going to go right in here and lock it down. Perfect. This one's going to go right in here. Same thing with that one. Sweet. And you're set. We just installed this side view mirror. Didn't get a chance to test it out. There it is. It is working. Sweet. And I will call that success. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.